How to add a search bar in WordPress. Adding a search bar to WordPress site can significantly enhance user experience by making it easier for visitors to find the content they are looking for. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First things first, log into your account and go to WordPress admin dashboard. And this is how the WordPress dashboard look like. You can do this by navigating to yourwebsite.com/wadmin and entering your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to this type of interface which we call dashboard or my home. Once you're in the dashboard, you can see a lot of options on your left hand side. You can see it all over here. Now it's your turn to select the pages where you want to add a search bar. Let's go to the pages. Then here you can see the pages I do have. So let's add a search bar in my home. Tap on edit, which is over here. So this is how my home page looks like right now. Now what you have to do is tap on this plus button, which is over here. You can see it on top left corner. Tap on it. That will open up you a 3 section: blog, patterns and media. And there's also a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type in search over here. So you can see search over here. Simply tap on it. And that added you a search bar over here. Let's cross it off now. So this is how the search bar look like. Now you can edit the search bar from here. So if you tap on this one, you can either make it a column, details or a group. You can also see a preview just beside it. So as a column it will look like this, and if it's about a detail it will look like this. So here you can add a detail and there's a search bar and so on. So in a group you will see something like this, but I'll prepare the earlier one. Let's go back and this is how it looks like. You can even drag it and place it wherever you want. So this is the end of a page, and if you want to add it just onto the home, simply drag it over here and it has been added over here. You can also move it up and down like this, and with the help of this tool you can align it. You can either keep it to left, center or right. And there's another option which says so search label. Simply tap on it. That will help you change how the search bar will look like this or like this. And there's change button position, which means you can change the button. So this is outside button. If you keep the button inside, it will look something like this. So the search came in between this box. And there's another option too, no button and button only. This is how it look like. And there's also an option called use button with icon. If you tap on it, the search button changes to the icon, and if you again tap on it, it will change it to the search button. And there's other option under these 3 buttons too, where you can copy, duplicate, add before and after, and do a lot of things with that too. So this is how the search bar look like right now. Let's edit this more. Okay, so there it became 2 search. Let's keep it an icon and it will make it easier. Okay, so that was how you can add a search bar in WordPress. Let's save it. Tap and save. Now tap on view page over here, and you can see a search bar over here. That's it. You have successfully added a search bar in a WordPress. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.